This is how God intended it to be. Natural, flourishing, undisturbed, and nutritional for people to eat this way and no other way. Raw. Why would we choose to substitute this with concrete? So much concrete, so much artificial products. Why should we choose to genetically modify this? Why should we modify it and add artificial preservatives to it? Why? Just take a look at the way these plants are flourishing. Very natural. This is the way God intended it to be. Flourishing, natural, and untouched. Now man has come along with this valuable resource of natural food, and he decides to tamper with it for profit. What do you think is better? The natural way or artificial way? Health stares you in the face. You take a look at it, these plants, and health stares you right in the face. We get our oxygen from these plants. This is our oxygen supply on the earth, which keeps us alive. So why cut down our oxygen supply and reduce the quality of air we breathe? This is what's happening all around the world right now. We are slowly killing ourselves. Slow death of our planet. These plants are meant to be left alone, to grow, to flourish, and we eat them, recycle the seeds back into the ground without tampering with them, without genetically modifying them, and just left natural. This is the way. Think no other way. This is why I like watching these Victoria Raw channels, Raw Vegan channels, and Tanny Raw, Geraint Riders, Freely, Vegan Ninja Bunny, and Car Sundowns, because they promote good health and they show you the other way. which is the real way. Like I said, I've eaten healthy all my life from my parents. Loads of Caribbean fruits, papayas, mangoes, passion fruits, dragon fruit, bananas, you name it. But I've had meat along with that. And also I've had habits of eating biscuits in the past. Even though I'm an athlete, I've eaten biscuits, milk-based breakfasts like porridge, cornflakes, Rice Krispies. Not much of the Rice Krispies and cornflakes, but mainly porridge with bran and wheat. And I'm questioning the value of wheat now, all this modification. And also high acidity level foods and like a low alkaline level in the body to function. You know, our water system's tampered with, everything's tampered with, the air is not pure. So this is the way. You look at those plants, how they flourish fresh. I would choose plants over concrete any day. Country over city any day. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Just be natural, be healthy, and be happy. If you take a look at these plants, they're stress-free. A plant is stress-free. When you look at a city with all the buildings and traffic and pollution, that is pure stress. So just think about it when you put any food in your mouth, when you walk into a sweet shop or candy shop, and you choose candy over natural fruit. Whenever you choose candy, you're attacking your kidneys and your liver. If you eat the fruits and the veg raw, you are enhancing your kidney and your liver's health. So remember, and if you get the time, do subscribe to the Tanny Raw channel and Victoria Raw Vegan channel. Also Gerain Riders and Freely and Car Sundance channels. They're very good. You watch them, it will change your life. Even if you're a healthy person already, like I was, you become even healthier because you'll see other ways and encouragement to eat more food, because the main goal here is to increase your consumption of fruit and veg. Ride the meat out, override it. Even if you don't quit the meat, you're eating so much vegetables and fruit that the effects of the fruit and veg wipes out the toxic effect of the meat. So that's what you want to do. Good morning and goodbye.